Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, my wisdom warriors, I'm here to update you again about the weather and how it's going. Fishers on Jamaica's quays and banks are being advised to evacuate immediately and start returning to the mainland. The Meteorological Service of Jamaica says other small craft operators in Jamaica's coastal waters are also being advised to return to port. So every fisherman out there, every fishers are urged to evacuate quays, bank as Hurricane Beryl approaches. So to all my Jamaican people, all of my fishermen them and fisherwoman them, I want to know buckle up. I want to know listen. You understand? Even if one has tell on yourself say, it now come here so, it is better to be safe than sorry. You understand me? Right. So I want to know just pack up on the things and head straight back to the port. That. According to the article, with Jamaica projected to begin feeling the impact of Hurricane Beryl late Tuesday, the Island Parish Disaster Coordinators are reporting readiness for the arrival of the storm. A meeting of the parish disaster coordinators and other critical stakeholders was held last evening. With Hanover, one of the parishes prone to severe flooding, Assistant Disaster Coordinator for the parish, Anissa Spence, noted that all critical agencies are on standby as the hurricane approaches. She added that all 55 shelters in Hanover are on standby and are ready for activation. Wanna hear that, my wisdom warriors? 55 shelters. I never know so they have 55 shelters. Ratted all they had. So she added that all 55 shelters in Hanover are on standby and are ready for activation. Wanna make sure someone are ready. Cause I know someone love talk the talk, but you can't walk the walk. Meantime, disaster coordinator for St. Catherine, Yashika Jathan Thompson, said heavy equipment is already on standby in the parish and a debriefing session is set for today to discuss the way forward. Mistress Jathan Thompson noted that the parish's 66 emergency shelters, 16 of which are priority shelters located in vulnerable communities, are ready. So wait there. So the people them in Jamaica know exactly where them shelters are there, because when I say 55 they are Hanover and that means 16 there somewhere else. So we need these things to make people know. We should have make people know this all from 2 weeks ago, a week ago. You understand me? Because at some point Andrew Honest must know. So this is going to head here. You understand me? At some point. Boy. She urged citizens to be aware of the developments surrounding the hurricane. So when you hear that, listen to all the Jamaicans. I want to know, say, you know, fix up on the folly ground. Get ready and be prepared. Nobody get up and say nothing now come. You understand? It is best to be safe than sorry. So you prepare everything, because this a hurricane, it can shift. It can't continue come to Jamaica. You can't do anything you want to do. You understand? You just make sure say you get yourself together. That. On the other part of town, another adoption is happening, my wisdom warriors. The Beryl Town Health Center received $3 million over the next 3 years. You hear that? I want to listen good, You know, so I always come tell the people them business. Anytime them receive money, you know, so I always find it for you. So I want to keep track of this. The Barretown Health Center received $3 million over the next 3 years, thanks to Counsel General Oliver Muir and his Jamaica High 5K initiative. Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade Kamina Johnson-Smith is on hand to welcome this adoption by the Miami-based diaspora. You see, enough of the time, I see a lot of laborite come out because them are laborite. And them always come out and be disrespectful. And I cuss the diaspora. And I cuss the diaspora and I behave some way. But really and truly, the diaspora help Jamaica in so many ways. In so many ways. You understand? Most of the help we una receive in Jamaica is through the diaspora. Una no know that? Eh? Una no know that. So me say sometimes them a lick out against the diaspora. Me have to really laugh at them. Because if the diaspora fi stop give to Uno doom. Uno really doom. It's just the truth. Uno know me stay my wisdom warriors. Me have to chat facts. You understand? Me know so 1 and 2 people feel like they do everything by themselves. You understand? Me know say a lot of people feel like that. But the government receive a whole heap of help from the diaspora. A lot of Uno no know that. So me and me gonna know now. So no follow people and talk and across diaspora. Because diaspora has contributed to Jamaica in so many ways. So many ways. My wisdom warriors taking this car. Christopher Tufton posted. He posted on his page and I sing, simple thing, are you blessing? Simple thing. You better make sure so you use the money for the Jamaican people. Boy, you play a song, simple things, are you blessing?
Facility, which will be supported for the next 3 years, gives us cause for a lot of pride. I want to share with you that it falls within 47 adoptions that have taken place to date. And I want to share a very important fact that 31 of those adoptions are from the diaspora.
Wanna see her face when she get the money? Wanna see her face? Or she happy or she get 3 million? And I talk about 31 is from the diaspora. But when you're ready, you see one Kamina Johnson always a lick out against diaspora. But one thing me want you to come in a parliament and tell the Jamaican people say 80% of the help come from diaspora. And that you have to tell the Jamaican people. That you need to tell the Jamaican people. You understand? Because you come and show things. You come and show things at Mark Golden when Mark Golden is standing up for the people in the diaspora. Yeah? And you go on with yourself. And you send out signal like diaspora and do nothing. And that you always do. And your honest administration. You always send out signal like diaspora and do nothing for you. But one thing I want the world to know. When diaspora give you money, what you use it and do? When diaspora give you ambulance, what the ambulance them there? When diaspora give you equipment, wait there. And then you always come out on a like a public platform, a signal like diaspora is nothing. That's how I make it look. My wisdom warriors, hear this. Prime Minister Andrew Holness is urging citizens to report scammers and crime syndicates to the police when they are identified in communities. He says security strategies targeting gangsters have disrupted their operations, leading them to seek relocation through short-term rentals. My wisdom warriors, so you hear what Andrew Holness say. Right now, Andrew Holness urges citizens to report scammers and crime syndicates. Me have to really laugh. You know why me have to laugh? So Andrew Holness, you talk about scammers. But wait there. Who is right now under ongoing investigation with the Integrity Commission? Who is undergoing investigation? Who is under it right now? Who under it? Now you? Now 6 and 1 plus 28. So how you talk about scammers? So now you they learn from it, me boss? Are you there learn from me now? Because the top of the stream scam. So what you expect the bottom of the stream I go do? So how you are preach something where you yourself now practice? And you honest, how you preaching something that you yourself and your administration not practicing? It just not make no sense to me. My wisdom warriors. Una hear this, man? Una hear on the Prime Minister? Me say if una hear on the Prime Minister. Una Prime Minister say the citizen them for report scammers. So when me I go do now, me I go report you, Andrew Wellness, because 700 billion plus 1.7 trillion gone missing. And nobody cannot give account for. So me I go report you are the first person we are going to report. Yes, you. But you're not easy. How comes a Prime Minister that misinform the people, plus he is under ongoing investigation for enriching himself, is coming out and talking about scammers? It just doesn't add up, my wisdom warrior. It not me I feel laugh at this man. Me I feel laugh at you. Seriously. He continued to urge residents to notify the police if they notice strange persons moving into their communities. Here ya. He was delivering the keynote address at the St. Andrews South District Consultative Committee Conference held at the Pembroke Hall High School in St. Andrew recently. Okay, my wisdom warriors, I hear Andrew Owens talk about the scammers. And if a resident notify any type of activity and see any strange person in their community, they need to, let the police them know. All right, what me I go say to you now? Me like how you come out pan this, Andrew Owens, even though this is not a topic for you come out pan. Seriously, me tell you where you miss out. You hear we out here talking about the SOR, the Sexual Offender Register. You hear we are talking about it, Andrew Owens. Just like how you can have scammers are going to different communities, as so you can have raper boy are going to community too. So me want you to put, you see the same effort where you put in this, and on social media, I want you to put the same effort and release the registry, release it, make it go public. We've been asking for it and you not come out and say nothing. Delroy Chuck not come out and say nothing. So una go on like una care about the people and your wellness. But you don't care about the people. Because other day we are asked for the sex offender registry made public. And you not come and utter a word. You not come and utter a word. And that is so important. Very, very important, because a lot of kids is missing. Just like the one them were in a phone care, state care, 6 of them gone missing. I mean, I see it a plaster and a paint up all over social media. Me no see on traditional media run with it every day like how they run with Marky G, dual citizenship. For much weeks they have it up every day. 6 pitney gone missing, plus whole heap of baby, other day a 2-year-old baby gone missing, 14-year-old gone missing. Me no see una plaster it up all over. No, talk to me, Andrew Wellness. Since as you go on like you care about Jamaica people, since as you go on like you care about Jamaican people, why don't you do us a favor and release the sex offender registry? Why you not do that? Why you not put your energy and your effort in that? You come out and talk about scammers? But then always a thief not likes a thief with long bag. I wear the blouse and skirt. I don't see why I go on my wisdom warriors. My wisdom warriors, from a barn, you never see smoke without fire. Thief not like to see thief. Hey, listen, Andrew Owens a sample, you know. No wonder why you see him come out and talk about scammers. Andrew Owens a false person come out and talk about scamming. I mean, I hear him talk nothing. Just like I must say, if you not say strange people, no for them strange boy that we are coming at the community. No for them strange boy there in my wisdom warriors where say come in a people community. Could all be raper boy. So wait there. We have to also be aware of them and know them, so on need to make it public. But Delroy Chuck say I don't want to punish them twice. Remember? Me play the voice note over here all the time. Delroy Chuck say he doesn't want to punish them twice because he believe if a SEXUAL offender Do the time. You not think it is fair for them to get a second punishment. That is what Delroy Chuck say, my wisdom warriors. Some of new to my channel, so maybe no for never hear it. Yeah. And then Andrew Holness I can talk about scamming right now. Hurricane I talk about scam. And that I really come out with right now, Andrew Holness. And you say right now, Hurricane Beryl want come to Jamaica can do whatever she want to do. And you come out and talk about scammer. Hey, me can't believe this, sir. Me can't be. Hey, my wisdom warriors. You never see smoke without fire. Thief never like to see thief with long bag. So them a try everything for stop it. Thief a try to stop thief. Franaban. You see how them put in time and energy in this? I mean, in here, everybody a ball out, and he knows that it is the right thing to do, you know, my wisdom warriors, to make the SOR go public. He knows that the right thing to do. At least them a protect the people. But when una keep it a secret, una not protect the Jamaican people. So me no want to come out and talk about una protect, you know. Because una not protect Jamaican people. Una tell lie. Una not protecting the Jamaican people. You talk about strange. Just like us strange boys, strange scammer can come in our community. As us strange raper can come in there too. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about it and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I go there in the comment section. Guys, feel free to support my movement by blessing up my Zelle and my PayPal. The link I go there in the comment section. Also, if you want to reach out to me, you can do so by contacting me on WhatsApp 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.